welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another question that I've been getting regarding the print on demand. So I'm gonna be answering that question in this video. So let's dive in. Before go back, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globook.com. Check out the freebie section and download it. And also soon we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week in your email inbox regarding content, making money online, and so much more. It's 100% free. There is no catch, so subscribe to it. The link is in the description box below. Let's talk about today's question that has come from one of the comment on one of my video, and I feel that many of the people would be stuck in this route, so it's better for me to address over here. Now guys, before answering this question, I wanted to give you a little bit of context. There is a big disclaimer. I may be biased about the ZAZZLE because I am in a more favor of ZAZZLE. It's been working well for me rather than the Redbubble. So my opinion or my advice or the things I'm telling in this video may be a little bit more biased toward the ZAZZLE, but it's again based on my own experience and knowledge so far with my own print on demand journey. So do take my advice, do take the things that I'm telling in this video with a grain of salt, because it may vary from person to person, from shop to shop, and what they are doing in their print on demand journey. So it depends a lot. So again, I'm sharing based on my own experience and knowledge. So this is a disclaimer. Do keep in mind while watching my video. Let's talk about this thing. Now guys, I have made a bunch of the videos talking about my Redbubble account suspension, why it happened, and a complete story about that. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. But after a year or so, after a few months of running my Redbubble shop, my Redbubble account being suspended, and after sending them a bunch of the emails, nothing really happened. And then I finally have to move from the Redbubble to focus on other print-on-demand websites. So I focused on different websites, the Teepublic, Society6, Displayed, and even on the ZAZZLE. Now, in my first shop on the ZAZZLE, I was making a lot of the mistake because I was taking this as a print on demand, and it's not really that. I have also made a video talking about the 5 things no one really talk about the ZAZZLE. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. You can check it out. In that video, I talk about that it's not a print-on-demand website. It's an on-demand website, and how it's different from other print-on-demand websites, and what you need to take into consideration to actually make money on the ZAZZLE. So you can check that video in the card section above. So in my first shop on ZAZZLE, I didn't really make much of the money, and when I actually corrected my mistake and I restarted a new shop back in the May of 2021, I started to see the sales rising up in the August and in the September of 2021. And it's the October is the beginning. Still, I'm getting a lot many sales from ZAZZLE. So I can say that this new thing, the correction that I made in my new shop, it's really working well for me. So I'll tell you that whenever you are picking up the platform and you are really getting confused which one you need to focus on, look for your own experience with the platform, because if you're looking for other people, they may be biased regarding one particular platform because everyone has their own unique experiences and knowledge. And so some people are more biased with the Redbubble. They love the Redbubble, and some people love the ZAZZLE more than the Redbubble. So the people may be biased, experts may be biased, and the people who are telling in the online space, they may be biased. So you need to look out which one is working well for you. Just look at your last 6 months. I do this math for me personally in my own business. I just do the math for past 6 months, because 1 month is very short period of time to actually analyze the things, because maybe 1 month you would be getting a lot many sales, and the second month it would a little bit decrease, and so on. So I would just take a 6 month analysis, and I see that in the past 6 months, which one of the platform is working well for me in terms of revenue, in terms of sales, in terms of followers, in terms of favorites, in terms of ease of getting payout from that particular platform, in terms of their customer service, because that's really important. If you get stuck in your shop, or if you want help regarding anything from your shop, you need to have a good customer service from that particular platform, help you with that particular issue. So these are some parameters that I put into consideration while choosing the platform, which one is good or bad, or which one I need to pursue and all. So that the same thing you could do. Look at your past 6 months and see which one of the platform is working well for you, whether it's the ZAZZLE or whether it's the Redbubble. And You need to do it in the terms of revenue, in the sales, and also in terms of profit per product, and also in terms of the ease of uploading the products. Like if you feel like ZAZZLE is more easy for you or Redbubble is more easy for you, their customer surveys, how many followers you're getting, how many favorites you're getting regarding your shop, which one is more compatible for you, whether it's ZAZZLE, whether it's Redbubble. For me personally, ZAZZLE was compatible because the way you need to make the product on ZAZZLE, I really love it, because I love making these templates and I love making these such kind of stuff. Rather than making the t-shirt designs, I love creating the printables, I love creating the templates. I'm more into the designing and artistic point of view rather than making the t-shirt design. So for me, the ZAZZLE worked perfectly. It didn't work well with the Redbubble. Case for you. Ask yourself what you are good at it. Do you really love making these templates on ZAZZLE? Have you ever tried it? If you didn't, give it a try. Give it a try. Open up a shop on a ZAZZLE. Go forward and make a first product on that. Make a first template on that. And see if you love the process or not. Do you really enjoy it or not? At least make 10 to 15 products of the process. Do you really enjoy or you don't really enjoy? If you enjoy it, then go further on. If you love Redbubble more, in just one step you're making multiple different products on Redbubble, but in the ZAZZLE, if you're going with the create new product option, it will going to take some time to actually upload 20 products or 30 products, so a little bit more time consuming on the ZAZZLE in comparison to the Redbubble. So look at it, what is good for you, and then go according to. Another parameter I want to cover over here is regarding the platform. Like some platform you can expect to make a few bucks a month. On some platform you can make few $100s a month, and some other platform you can expect to make $1,000 a month or serious amount of money from the platform. On the Redbubble, on the ZAZZLE, both you can make $1,000+ a month on ZAZZLE and as well as Redbubble as well. It just need to upload multiple different designs and multiple different niches, test the platform, promote it, share it, and you really need to be patient to actually reach that particular goal of making $1,000 a month from both of these platforms. So look at that. Now from my own personal experience, I would rather go with the ZAZZLE instead of going with the Redbubble. Like when I was getting started with the Redbubble, if I was knowing at that time that ZAZZLE is more amazing, it's more easy, it's more simple, and I love creating these templates, I would rather go with the ZAZZLE in the first place rather than going with the Redbubble. On both of these platforms, you can make a full-time income, I guess. On the Redbubble as well, many people are making $1,000+ a month. Some people on ZAZZLE are making six-figure a month. Some people are making a hobby income as well. Some people are making $1,000+, a few bucks. So it depends a lot about that. I would say give it a try. If you are completely new, give it a try on both these platforms. Start with the Redbubble shop as well. Start with the ZAZZLE shop as well. And then look for next 6 months how both of these platforms are working well for you. Which one is working well for you and which you enjoy the process. Like we don't like the upload process a lot, but still you need to see which of is more easy and more simple for you to get started with that, and then pick up that platform as a full-time focus and do other platform as kind of like a part-time stuff, as a kind of like a side hustle. But this is the way I use the platform, and this thing you could also do. But from my own experience, from my own knowledge, I would highly prefer to go with the ZAZZLE. But again, it's a biased view. It might vary from person to person. You would feel more okay with the Redbubble because you're making more money and you see that the process of uploading the products or designs on Redbubble is more easy than the ZAZZLE. Then go for the Redbubble. Whichever suits best for you, go with that, because I can't give you that exact answer for you, because everyone is unique, everyone has the unique abilities, and we love the platform depending upon that. Some people love display, some people don't. Some people love society 6, some people don't. So it depends on each and individual person. So I recommend you to go with the ZAZZLE, because I see people make six-figure on ZAZZLE, but some people don't enjoy the process of uploading the products or design on ZAZZLE. So it again depends on you, because if you're going with a create new product, you need to create one product at a time. It's a little bit more time consuming than Redbubble. So it depends on you, whichever one you want to focus, but give both of these platforms a try and see which one work best for you, and then choose your route according to it. So hopefully I've answered this particular comment or question or doubt in my video. Do let me know if you have any further question or any further doubt. I'm here to help you as much as I can based on my own experience and knowledge, and all these videos are based on my own experience and knowledge. I'm not an expert in this area. I'm a newbie like you as well, who started with her print-on-demand journey back in the 2020. So this is the first year. So guys, hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Have you have any further doubt, Which one is working best for you, Zazzle or Redbubble? I really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.